Ready to learn more about the TikTok content creator side hustle? Let's get started. TikTok is a social media platform where creators post short videos for fun, fame, and profit. With billions of users worldwide, it's one of the most popular places to enjoy watching unique content created by people from all walks of life. It can also be a golden opportunity for you to make side hustle money. But you need to know how to navigate the platform and how to build a loyal following before you can come close to earning any amount of money. Pick a niche. Successful TikTok creators find a niche that feels right for them and stick with it. A niche is a specific topic category, and all content created should be related in some way to the niche. Broad niche category examples are beauty, food, fashion, comedy, music, education, dance, education, pets, and gaming. Let's say that you decide to choose one of these categories. There are already a ton of TikTok videos in each of them. So, how do you stand out among the crowd? Go deeper within that niche to make your content more unique. For instance, within the food niche, you can choose to make videos showing how to make various recipes or eating foods you've never tried before, or expressing your opinion about dieting and weight loss. In the education niche, you can create how-to videos about any topic that you find interesting. You can also show people how to do a hobby you enjoy, such as teaching people how to draw, make jewelry, build things out of wood, put together model kits, and so on. Consider making faceless videos. You can have a successful TikTok channel without showing your face. Videos can be made showing only your hands or not showing any of your body. Instead, you can use stock footage video clips and images to supplement video you shoot, editing all of these images together to create uniqueness. Add text to each video. Some viewers are going to watch your videos with the sound off. You can keep them engaged by adding text that shows what is being said on camera. Text can also be used instead of a voiceover. Watch TikTok videos to see examples of how text is used. Make a content plan. Decide what kind of content you are going to create and begin planning out each video by writing down exactly what is going to happen in the video. There's no need to create a script unless you are sharing specific educational information. But you should have a general idea of what kind of video you're making and what activity you're going to be doing. Because TikTok videos are short, you can plan several videos ahead of time and shoot them all on the same day. Be creative. If you think that you're going to be able to copy another famous TikTok creator and ride the wave to success, think again. That person or persons made it big because they offered their audience something unique. You are going to have to do the same thing to attract significant attention. Find ways in which you can bring something original to your videos, even if you're in the same niche and sub-niche as someone more popular. Forget about what they're doing and focus on content that represents your own creative ideas. Experiment and try new things. Some ideas won't work, and some will. This is how you learn what your fans like. Be authentic. You have something unique to offer TikTok followers, but they won't know it if you are too busy trying to be something you're not. The worst thing that can happen to a TikTok creator is not the lack of followers or views, it's having people call you out for being fake or a sellout. You can avoid that by always creating videos that represent your authentic voice, personality, and point of view. It's okay to be inspired by other creators. Just avoid being a copycat. Be authentically original by taking their ideas and putting a fresh spin on them. Your videos are not for everyone. Avoid falling into the common trap of trying to please everyone who may see your videos. The truth is that everyone isn't going to be a fan of your videos, and some people will make negative comments about what you create. So, what? Ignore the people who are not your fans and focus all of your attention on producing content for people who like or love what you're doing. Your loyal fans are the ones who are going to support your channel, boost your popularity, and eventually give you enough views for life-changing earnings. Create for them. Trends can be good, but be careful. Trends come and go with regularity on TikTok, and while you should identify trends and make trendy content, you should always make sure you are sticking to your niche and content style. Don't spend too much time chasing trends because it can be exhausting. Make quality content. Always make the best videos you can for your audience. After all, the content is why anyone bothers to click on your videos, and if they like what they see, they'll be back for more. Post consistently. You are going to have to post videos consistently if you want your channel to gain any traction in the TikTok algorithm. How many videos should you post per day? Experts say between 1 and 3 videos per day. The best way to do this is to create a bunch of videos and post them as drafts, which do not go live, and then you can release them according to your planned schedule. For instance, you can have 10 draft videos in the queue and post just one. Optimize your videos with keywords. Your videos are competing with millions of others, and so you must learn to use keywords to help them show up on user pages. This is called SEO optimization, and there are videos you can watch that teach you more about this important topic. Should you use hashtags? There is a debate about this, and the answer is yes and no. Many creators add hashtags to their videos, but some creators think hashtags don't matter. There is positive proof to support both viewpoints. Do what you think is best for your channel. Monetizing your TikTok channel. Once your channel reaches certain milestones, you can qualify for the TikTok Creator Fund. To qualify, you must reside in the US or another qualifying country. Be 18 or older, and your channel must have a minimum of 10,000 followers and 100,000 views. Your channel must also be in full compliance with TikTok guidelines. Reaching this lofty goal also qualifies you to join the TikTok marketplace. This is where you can partner with companies who are looking for TikTok creators interested in partnering with channels to advertise certain products. When you create branded content for your channel, be sure to hit the toggle button to let your viewers know that the video is sponsored. TikTok wants you to do this, and full transparency keeps your channel compliant. TikTok also has gifting and tips, and the qualifications are the same as they are from the other two methods. Gifting allows fans of a video to give you gifts worth specific values. This feature is only available during live streams. Gifts turn into diamonds, which equal real cash money. However, TikTok gets a 50% cut of your gift earnings. Each diamond is worth 5 cents, and your account must have a minimum of $100 of diamond earnings before you can cash out. Also, you cannot withdraw more than $1,000 per day. Similarly, people who love your video can give you a tip for $5, $10, or $15, or they can give you a custom amount. Can you earn money while you are striving to reach official monetization status? Yes, you can. Go outside TikTok and sign up with an influencer platform that may pair you with a brand. You can also create a print-on-demand shop to create and sell products made especially for fans of your channel. Tips: when you are creating content, keep in mind that the largest demographic on TikTok is between the ages of 18 and 24. The second largest age group demographic is 13 to 17. Even so, there are other age groups who may also be interested in your content. The app continues to grow in popularity among other demographic groups, especially users between the ages of 35 and 54 years old. In the USA, over 60% of users are female, which is slightly higher than worldwide numbers. Most TikTok users also use other popular social media apps such as Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and YouTube. When selecting brands to partner with, choose brands that closely align with your personal values and channel topics. This information can be used anytime you're ready to start a successful side hustle. If you want more information like this, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel.